Cold weather is coming. Are you ready? Fall is officially bringing in its vibrant colors and cool, crisp air. And while many of us are donning on our sweaters and getting ready for the fall and drinking hot chocolate and hot apple cider, I have prepared a checklist. And you know, if many of you know that I always have a checklist ready. So I'm going to share a couple of those things with you today. So first is that you should go out and rake your leaves, get them up off of the grass. Why not go ahead and turn off the water spigots to the outside of the house. Many of you can go inside of the house and there's a turn off valve there, and then some people have to go outside and bleed it from the outside. If that's the case and you don't feel comfortable with that, by all means reach out to a plumber. And as many of you know, I have many service providers that I can recommend to. Another thing is to get up on the roof, and I'm not saying let's be safe about all of this. If you're not comfortable with that, definitely hire a professional, go up there, make sure that everything is intact. Check the gutter system and the downspouts to make sure that we have, when the snow does start to melt, that we can get the water away from the house. And also clean those dryer vents. Very, very important. Definitely a fire hazard. And another thing to think about is your HVAC system. I have mine serviced twice a year. I have a professional that comes in and does that. And I also change my filters every 2 months because I do have pets in the house. They say 3 to 4 months you can change your filters. So these are only a couple of things to get you ready for the colder months that are coming ahead. So if you need any ideas, service recommendations, I'm here for you. Also, you know I have that checklist. Bye.